Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will be showing you how I created this manicure using Deep UK products. But before we start, I just want to quickly mention that I do have a discount code on Deep UK website. So if you use Grace20, you will get 20% discount off your total purchases. I will be putting all the information in the description box below. So now into the video. First, I apply nail dehydrator on all of my nails. This will just remove the natural oil on my nails. So then next, I move on to my UNT peel-off base, and I will be applying a thin layer of this on all of my nails. This will just allow me for easy pop-off removal of my manicure, but obviously you don't need to apply this on your nails if you want your manicure to last. Next, I move on to my dip powder application. So the first powder that I will be using today is in the shade Cherry Pop, and here is what it looks like. So what I do is apply a thin layer of my Deep UK base on my nail, and then immediately dip my nail into the powder and then tap off the excess. So I will be applying this shade on my pointy, pinky, and thumb, and I will be applying 3 coats of this shade. This color is absolutely gorgeous, and I think it will suit any skin tone, and also it's very easy to apply. So once I'm finished with my Cherry Pop, I move on to my next powder, which is the shade Magnificent, and I will be applying this shade on my middle and ring nail. So again, I apply a thin layer of the base on my nail, and then instead of dipping my nail, I lay my nail on top of the powder, just because I find that this method works better with this kind of powder. So then I use toothpick to clean up around my cuticle area, and I also use a plastic sheet and just gently press it on my nails just to flatten out all the chunky bits. So then I just brush up all the excess powder and then repeat the same step with my second coat. So once I'm done with the colored powders, I move on to my clear to encapsulate my nails. This step is optional, but I highly recommend you do this, especially when you are using a chunky bits on your nails. This will protect your colors underneath from filing and buffing. So once I'm finished with clear, I brush up all the excess powder and then I move on to my activator. So I apply generous amount of the activator on all of my nails. This will harden up the powder and make it ready for filing. So then after a few minutes, I file and buff off camera, and then I brush up all the dust and clean my nails with alcohol spray. Next, I move on to my deep UK top coat and I apply 2 coats of this on all of my nails. So then once my top coat is fully dry, I apply cuticle oil and we are done. That's it guys for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one.